What's up, you guys? Operator with the Wolf here, and today we're doing another abandoned barnyard gameplay, and I'm still using my Lancer Tactical LT-15B Gen 2 and also my M9 Beretta gas blowback pistol. We are still doing team deathmatch. This time I switched sides, and if you guys want to get my guns and gear, links in the description below. And if you guys want to see more of these videos, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram. And also, don't forget to share this to your friends and family and those who you think would be interested in this, because we are a beginning channel. Thank you for your support. If you guys got a shout out last time, do the same as you did before, and also go check that out. That's towards the very end of the video. So without further ado, we will hop right into the video.
Go. Move forward. Yeah, I'm gonna go out to the barrier. Check. Excuse me. Hold up. Okay, crawl forward. Right flank! Right flank! Oh, jeez, voice crack. They're on the right flank, so I'm going to send you over there. Ready? I'm going to, yeah, go. I can hold it here. Go. Run, Tyler! Oh, son of a gun. You hit my GoPro, I don't think that counts. But you got close. Watch out! That's setting me down. Watch out! Hey, watch out there, over there. Come forward. I'm going around. I got one down. H is down. They're on the hay bales. Yeah, I'm gonna run across. I dropped my pistol. Okay, you ready? No, you're just gonna wait here. Then I'll cover you. I really got this thing. Oh, you're around yeah. Okay. Ready? LMT's down, but he's got a pistol though. Okay, go. You're clear to move. I think. Clear to move. Okay. Can you grab my pistol for me? I'll cover you. It's on the sheet metal. Okay, I'm not going in there. We're gonna go around. You going around? Yeah, I'm out of ammo. And the pistol. Who's left? Oh, shoot, somebody's going. We got hit if you want. Woo! Somebody. Look. What? Okay, he's down. What? He's down. Who's left? Yeah. Who's left? He's on the other side of the barn. He's on that side. You're facing your back towards him. What? Somebody. That's Kai. He's down. Okay. Oh shoot! He just got hit. Yep. You. He's on the outside barn. Come in my six, okay? Okay. Okay. Where's he? Right there. Hit! You hit! You trade! That's a trade.
Hey, I got you in the back.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and everything. And follow me on Instagram. Links to everything in the description below. If you guys want a shout out, do all the same as last time. And as I said in the beginning of the video. And if you guys bump into me while I'm playing Airsoft at the field, don't forget to say hi. And you guys will probably be featured in the video. I'm Operator Wolf. I'll see you guys on the battlegrounds or in the wilderness if the cause is right.